Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to wind your Seiko SRPD57K1 caliber 4R36. Now this tutorial will work on all Seiko watches that are powered by the 4R36 movement. You can find a lot of them online with a power reserve of around 41 hours, and it operates at 21,600 beats per second. Now, being an automatic watch, the first thing that you can do is actually wear the watch or shake it. If you shake it one way or another for around 60 seconds, I've seen people online that say that after 60 seconds it will actually run for 8 hours if you leave it on the table. Now, a very cool and interesting thing about this movement is that it is an automatic but also with a manual wind function, meaning that if you want to manually wind the watch, you can do that as well. You can do that in this zero position, so with the crown pushed all the way back in, and you do that by rotating it to the right, and you can actually hear the watch wind. Now if you wind it for around 20 to 30 times, you will have the watch fully winded, and it should go for around 40 hours running on your wrist. Now also a very cool and interesting fact about this movement is that it has a double-sided automatic winding system. It is called a magic lever, meaning that if the watch rotor, so the rotor on the back that actually winds the watch, goes to the left or goes to the right, it will actually wind the watch both ways. This means that the watch will actually wind faster compared to regular automatic watches that only wind in one direction. And also, when you shake it, it will actually work if you shake it to the left or to the right, because a lot of people usually ask whether you should shake the watch to the left or to the right. So guys, those are the two ways you can actually wind your Seiko watch. So you can do it manually or by shaking it either to the left or to the right. If you want to find more about this watch, guys, I have a full unboxing video on the channel, and also I'm going to make a video with a full review of the watch, so make sure to check it out as well. And also, if you enjoy this type of content, watch related, vintage watches, how to use your watches, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.